This is Karen Ranzi. I want to talk today about a question that I always get from people who come to my 5-week raw food group coaching program. And one of the main questions is always, what is the difference between a smoothie and a juice? And is it better to make a green smoothie or to have a juice? Which one is healthier? And so there's many schools of thought here, and some of the raw food experts say go with a juice. A green juice is the best thing for your health because when the fiber is taken out of the juice goes quickly into the bloodstream and into your cells for healing and health. And they don't like the smoothie because they say that it oxidizes once it's all blended. But then there's other raw food experts who say that the juices aren't good because we need the fiber. That's what's most beneficial about raw food and plant food in general, is this fiber which acts like a vacuum and is constantly cleaning out the digestive system. And they say that everything we eat should have the fiber in it. And so that's why they prefer a green smoothie, and that you're getting benefits of putting a lot of greens in, either as a savory smoothie with other vegetables such as celery and cucumber, or you could do a sweet smoothie with fruit and greens. I love a green smoothie with about 60% green and 40% fruit. I haven't felt any problems in digesting it. And so I think that both have their benefits, both the green smoothie and the green juice. I really love the green juice when I do my guided juice cleanse. I host a group during a week in the fall and a week in the spring when all I do that whole week is juicing. And I feel that by taking the fiber out, that it gives me a chance not to be digesting foods, yet not going into as deep a cleanse as a water fast. So I love juicing, and I do juicing at other times as well. I will have a juice sometimes in the morning when I get up, before I'm going to start with solid foods. It's a great way to start the day. I also love my green smoothies. I don't usually have fruit smoothies because I like to eat my fruit as it is. But I love a green smoothie which is abundant in mineral-rich, protein-rich, leafy greens like spinach and kale, collards, even romaine lettuce, chard, dandelion. These are the greens that I put in my green smoothies and in my green juice. So if I'm going to have the green smoothie, a lot of times I don't have it early in the morning. I will have it a little bit later on in the day because all the fiber is in it. But early in the day, I love having a green juice. So I am one raw food expert who plays the middleman. I love both the green juice and the green smoothie. And I hope that you will enjoy both of them in your daily raw food lifestyle.